Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your Synology NAS. We're diving into the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM upgrade kit, specifically designed for a range of Synology disk station, rack station, and flash station models. If you're noticing sluggish performance, especially when dealing with multiple users or demanding applications like video editing or large file transfers, RAM is often the bottleneck. This kit consists of two 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz ECC SODIMM modules. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, is crucial for maintaining data integrity, especially in an NAS environment where data reliability is paramount. These are 260-pin modules running at 1.2V, so they're energy efficient too. OWC has ensured compatibility with a wide array of Synology devices, including popular models like the DS1522 Plus, DS1621 Plus, DS1821 Plus, and many more. It's always best to double-check the compatibility list to ensure it works with your specific NAS. Why upgrade? More RAM translates to better multitasking, faster application loading times, and an overall snappier system. For those running virtual machines or Docker containers on their Synology NAS, this upgrade is almost essential. The difference between the base RAM and 32GB can be night and day. Installation is generally straightforward. OWC even provides helpful installation videos. Typically, it involves powering down your NAS, opening the chassis, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the new modules. Make sure they click into place properly. Then, power it back on and verify that the system recognizes the new RAM. OWC stands behind their products with a limited lifetime warranty and a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program. This provides peace of mind knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Plus, they offer free tech support, which is a huge bonus if you run into any snags during installation or have any questions down the road. In conclusion, the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM upgrade is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to maximize the performance and longevity of their Synology NAS. It's easy to install, offers a significant performance boost, and is backed by a solid warranty. If your Synology NAS is feeling a bit slow, this upgrade might be just what it needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.